I'm Marcos from ECCPP Auto Parts, here with one of our updated wheel hub bearings designed to fit the front wheels of any 2003 through 2012 Chevy Express 1500, any 2000 through 2006 Chevy Tahoe, and GMC Yukon. This wheel hub features the same ABS connector as your vehicle for easy installation. The ABS prevents the wheels from locking, ensures the stability of the vehicle's braking direction, and prevents side slips and deviations. With a hub pilot diameter of 3.9 inches, a hub bolt circle at 4.3 inches, the flange diameter at 7.1 inches, the bolt circle diameter at 5.5 inches, in addition to the 6 pre-installed bolts and the 33 splines, this wheel hub is designed to eliminate your wheel noise and vibrations. Composed of steel, this wheel hub is extremely durable and reliable, and is a perfect direct fit solution that replaces your aged or worn out wheel hubs and extends the longevity of your vehicle.